Hello, I'm Caroline Young, Content Editor at ESPC.
And I'm Maria Botha Lopez, Business Analyst at ESPC.
And we're talking about the September house price report. And this month, the analysis is showing that the market continues to still be in favour of the seller. Is that right?
Yes. So the three main points that we can get from this month's house price report is one, the number of homes selling across East Central Scotland is still growing year on year, and this is a trend we've seen since May of 2013, and the average selling price is up 1.5% from last year. Second, that the number of homes brought to market is still decreasing when compared with the previous year, but it's not as pronounced as in previous months. And the number of homes marketed as offers over has risen up to 73%, and this is up from 54% last year. And thirdly, some other indicators that we're in a seller's market is that the percentage of sales achieving or exceeding home report valuation is up to 60.9%. That's up 5% from last year. And the average percent of home report valuation achieved is also up 0.5% from last year. And that now stands at 100.6%.
And so that's why solicitors are having more confidence in suggesting that homes go to market as offers over.
Yes, and the analysis from this month is showing that those properties that are marketed as offers over, they're achieving an average of 6.5% above asking price. And this is up from 3.8% in 2013. So there's definitely more confidence on the seller side and the solicitors representing the sellers.
And some of the areas that are showing strong growth, Dalry and Gorgie and Stockbridge and Comley Bank, and they've been sort of consistently showing stronger growth over the last few house price reports. But Dunfermline is actually showing a decrease at the moment.
Yes, and I think it's kind of balancing out the very strong growth that we saw since the beginning of the year, I think it was. And so I think it's just a slight market correction of prices balancing themselves out. We're seeing, like, for example, the huge growth that we saw last year in 3-bedroom houses in South Queensbury and Blackhall, Davidson's Mains areas. They're kind of correcting those huge increases now, and we're seeing strongest growth in 2-bedroom flats, as you mentioned, in Stockbridge area. The Portobello Joppa area is also seeing strong growth.
And that could be maybe to do with the buy-to-let market as well, so an increase there where 2-bedroom flats would be a sort of desirable purchase.
They're definitely part of that stock that the buy-to-let market would be looking at. Yes, I agree.
Yeah. Okay, well, that's this month's house price report. So if you'd like more information, go to the website espc.com.